Hey, hi, Lisa Marie here. I know I've been a little MIA for a while, but the reason is I've been busy. I'll be transparent. COVID has caused some regain, and life has thrown us some crazy curveballs. But the exciting news from all of this is I've been doing lots of learning on habits, saboteurs, and how the heck we get so far off track. So I would love to invite you to meet with me live on Saturday, November 4th for a free 90-minute webinar as Dr. Brian Grossman and I share a deep dive into why we do what we do. In this time together, we will share how that you can learn to have success on your personal health and weight loss journey. It's free. Join us. Click the link below to register, and I will see you there. Bye.